Once a lead has been qualified as a potential client, you'll create a deal directly from their contact record. Let's create a deal for John Doe. We'll click Create Deal, and the system automatically links this deal to John's contact. From the Deals board, we can track consultations, service details, communications, and payments for each client. Here is the service list. The Service List app is an exclusive feature developed by Workiflow for Caseflow to simplify and automate the process of managing immigration services. This powerful tool allows you to standardize service offerings, automate case creation, reduce manual data entry, and ensure consistency across cases. Once you have configured your service list, you can now easily define the services for your clients. Let's say John Doe has completed a consultation and is moving forward with an I-130 family petition. In the Deal Services tab, we'll select the service, and the description, legal fee, and filing fee will populate automatically based on your service list. Keep in mind you can add multiple services to a single deal. Since John's spouse, Jane Doe, is part of the Doe family account, we can easily add her as the secondary applicant. You will see the legal fees and filing fees calculated on the deal item. Now we'll mark the deal as signed up. Caseflow will automatically create a case in the appropriate board based on the service selected. See yourself working faster with Caseflow? Click the link below to schedule your demo today. Thank you for watching.